Eat garlic, but never make these 6 mistakes. Garlic is widely celebrated for its health benefits and its versatility in cooking. But are you truly getting the most out of this superfood? Many people unknowingly make mistakes when consuming garlic, which can reduce its nutritional and medicinal value. Let's dive into the most common mistakes and learn how to avoid them, ensuring you reap all the benefits garlic has to offer. The incredible benefits of garlic. Garlic is packed with organic sulfur compounds, most notably allicin, which contribute to its amazing properties. Research has shown that garlic can fight infections and inflammation, help manage diabetes and regulate blood sugar levels, prevent certain types of cancer, including stomach, colon, and breast cancers, improve cardiovascular health by lowering blood pressure and cholesterol, act as a natural antibiotic against viruses, fungi, and parasites. This humble ingredient is nothing short of a powerhouse. However, proper usage is essential to unlock its full potential. Number 1. Cooking garlic for too long. Mistake. Overcooking garlic destroys allicin, its most beneficial compound. The fix. Remember the phrase, cooked garlic is lost garlic. Add garlic toward the end of cooking to preserve its nutrients. Better yet, eat garlic raw to maximize its health benefits. Exposing garlic to temperatures above 140°F breaks down allicin. To retain its properties, keep cooking time short or avoid cooking it altogether. Eating whole cloves without crushing or chopping. Mistake. Eating whole garlic cloves limits the release of its nutrients. The fix. Crush, chop, or mince garlic before consuming it. This activates allicin, which only forms when garlic is broken down. Let it sit for at least 10 minutes after cutting to allow allicin to fully develop. By crushing garlic, you unlock its full potential for strengthening the immune system and protecting against illnesses like colds, flu, and heart disease. Number 3. Using pre-peeled garlic. Mistake. Pre-peeled garlic loses freshness, potency, and nutritional value. The fix. Choose fresh, whole garlic bulbs instead of pre-peeled or processed options. Peel garlic yourself just before use to maintain its flavor and nutrients. Pre-peeled garlic is often exposed to air and moisture, reducing its allicin content. Fresh garlic ensures better taste, longer shelf life, and maximum health benefits. Number 4. Not washing garlic before use. Mistake. Assuming the garlic skin protects it from contaminants. The fix. Always rinse garlic before peeling and using. Washing removes dirt, pesticides, and harmful residues that may linger on its surface. Even though garlic is encased in a protective layer, it's best to wash it to ensure safety and cleanliness. Number 5. Storing garlic improperly. Mistake. Storing garlic in the fridge or in damp, poorly ventilated places. The fix. Store garlic in a cool, dark, and well-ventilated area. Avoid direct sunlight or excessive heat. Never refrigerate garlic, as cold and moisture can cause sprouting, which affects its flavor and texture. Properly stored garlic can last up to 8 weeks, but peeled cloves spoil within 10 days. Keep it fresh to retain its nutritional value. Number 6. Skipping the waiting time after cutting garlic. Mistake. Using garlic immediately after crushing or chopping. The fix. Allow garlic to sit for at least 10 minutes after cutting to maximize allicin production. This small step activates garlic's healing properties, enhancing its effectiveness against diseases and infections. Bonus mistake. Ignoring medication interactions. Mistake. Consuming large amounts of garlic without considering its interaction with medications. The fix. If you take blood thinning or blood sugar medications, consult your doctor before eating large amounts of garlic. Garlic can amplify the effects of certain drugs, increasing the risk of bleeding or causing dangerously low blood pressure or blood sugar levels. Choosing the best garlic. When shopping for garlic, always select firm bulbs with tight-fitting skins. Avoid soft, shriveled, or sprouted garlic, as these have lost freshness and nutritional value. Opt for fresh, unblemished garlic for maximum health benefits. The health benefits of garlic. Properly consumed garlic offers a wide range of health benefits. Heart health. Garlic lowers blood pressure and cholesterol, reducing the risk of heart disease. Cancer prevention. Its antioxidant properties protect cells and reduce the risk of stomach and colon cancers. Immune boosting. Garlic fights colds, flu, and respiratory infections. Digestive health. Garlic supports gut flora balance, aiding digestion and preventing issues like bloating and constipation. For an added boost during cold and flu season, try eating finely chopped raw garlic with honey on an empty stomach. This powerful combination strengthens the immune system and wards off common infections. Conclusion: garlic is a true superfood, but it's essential to use it correctly to enjoy its full benefits. From proper storage to cooking techniques, these simple adjustments can make a big difference in how garlic supports your health. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy and take care.